Hello, I just wanted to welcome you to this new house tour because I just was like, oh god, I better get it recorded before we start moving everything in, and I really quickly recorded it. It's not that good. Our one before was so much better, but I just had too much happening. Like, we were moving stuff, we were cleaning stuff, there was other people there, other than just Con and me, like they were on the way, and then Evie's obviously there as well, and I just felt bad asking him to hold the baby on the camera, and do you know what I mean, because we couldn't leave her in one room and then go into all the rest of the house and just leave her on her own the whole time. Obviously unsupervised would not be safe, wouldn't recommend. I hope you enjoy regardless. Hello, so we are at the house and I'm gonna do a little house tour before it gets filled with crap. So you come in to the front door, and this is the hall, stairs, space for a nice little hall table and stuff, which I'm excited about. We've actually never really had like a hall with space to do that, believe it or not. Then in through there is the kitchen, and in through here is the sitting room. Ignore the Hoover right in the middle of the room. All of this was here. We haven't moved anything in yet, but kind of not mad at it. I kind of like the shelves. I feel like they're painted. Fireplace. So this will probably be sitting room, this will be dining room, and probably a bit of a playroom as well. This is the kitchen. It has the oldest appliances I've ever seen in my whole life. We were hoping we'd be able to knock this wall through, but it might be a bit more messy because this is actually a brick wall, we realised yesterday, but lots of people have done it in similar houses. But yeah, the kitchen is absolutely ancient. Never seen one as old in my whole life. Like, even the sink, like, it's crazy. But I've seen really nice ones on Facebook Marketplace, so we'll definitely be changing it ASAP. And then out here is the garden. That, I don't know what that is, to be honest, but I'll go out and show you now properly. So it's a little bit ropey. Yeah, it's mostly just grass and a few bushes that we'll definitely pull out ASAP. And then this is just the like side gate. So stairs. Okay, so this is this bedroom, just a little bathroom. Everything is so dirty. Yeah, gorgeous. Well, it's just there's a lot of wallpaper that we're gonna have to remove, which I'm not looking forward to, but put that there. All wallpaper up here as well. What more could you want? I think every room's wallpapered. This is actually wallpaper. I didn't even know it's just white. But this will probably be our room. So it's got like cupboard in there. This wardrobe was here, but we will have to move it to fit our beds. Probably will keep it there until we get wardrobe sorted. And then bed probably over there. This is Your Highness's favourite room. Your favourite room. So happy. Good girl. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. Absolutely love to go. I cannot wait to pull them all down there. Gross, I'd say. And then it's right here, and then it's the bathroom. Actually, sorry, first of all, the hot press. The bathroom here is low baby. So stunning. Nothing nicer than matching your wallpaper to your bath and sink and toilet. Stunning. So yeah, that's the bathroom. Obviously needs work. Self-explanatory. But then this is another room. This will probably be Evie's room. Maybe not immediately. We might put her in the box room beside us while we do this room up. But they like matching a lot, like matching the carpet, the radiators, which I'm kind of not mad at, and the wallpaper. And I'm also kind of not mad at the wallpaper turbo here. It's actually kind of cute, but it's all just worn out, so I can't really use it, obviously. The curtains. So funny. But yeah, so this will probably be Evie's room eventually. And it's the second biggest one. And then this is another smaller bedroom. A bit smaller than the other box room, but not huge. Has that above the stairs. This one has the wallpaper, matches the light, and also the curtains, which again I'm not mad at. And I'm really not mad at this pink radiator and the carpet too, but obviously it's all ancient and so worn out, but I kind of like the vibe. But anyway, that is it. The end. Gotta go clean now. Hope you enjoyed. I'm so excited to get going. I'm literally just coming on to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really excited now for moving into our house and getting the work and stuff started on it. Also a bit daunted, I won't lie, but yeah, really excited. So I hope you are too, and I will see you in the next one.